Ever since I was a kid, I wanna run up all these M's. I do it by myself cause I don't really need no friends. Wake up, chase this bag, ain't no sleep, do it again. All these niggas hating on me nowadays, it's just a trend. These bitches be fugazi, say they love you for pretend. Hey, what is good, YouTube? It's KG Entertainment, and we back with another motherfucking banger video. You feel me? You know the vibes already. As y'all see by the title, I'm about to just be unboxing my new Apple Watch. I got the Series 8, I believe. Yeah, it's the Series 8. And yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it. No setting up because I need a camera to do that. And I'm gonna get a camera soon, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do all that stuff. But for now, we just gonna unbox it and show you what it's looking like. And if y'all could please get me to 500 subs, that would be great. No cap. Oh God. So do that. Subscribe to the channel. Please join the family. Also, can you guys like the video and comment down below any ideas that y'all want, because if I don't get your ideas, then I'm just doing things that I want to do, which isn't bad. But like, if y'all don't want to watch that, I don't want to be putting it out if y'all don't want to watch it. So can y'all help me out with the ideas? Alright, so this the box. I don't really want y'all to see this part, but Series 8 right here. And also it has the medium and large band. But yeah, I'm just about to open it right now and show y'all what it is. I got it from AT&T. Feel me? And yeah, let's start. Open this hoe. Open this hoe.
I mean, I had a watch before, but
Yeah, I just got a new one. I ain't even gonna say the reason why. Niggas on some weird shit, but I could get one on my own. It doesn't matter. But either way, this is the band. This is the band. And this is the watch. It comes in this, like when you open it, it opens like this, and it comes with these on in there. Hold on, let me see if I can push it down a little bit more so y'all can see what's up with it. Alright, so first I'm gonna just open this part. It'd be hard to open. Oh yeah, so we open this. It's like how the iPhone was. And if y'all haven't already, go watch the unboxing of my iPhone 14 Plus. It's valid. So open it. Open the other side. Feel me?
and then let us find
Out a little bit. And yes, sir. So it comes with this little thing or whatever it is. I think, what is it? I think it just shows you how to put the watch on and shit. I don't really need to know. When I get stuff, I don't look at instructions. I just try to figure out a way to do it myself. Even if I never had a watch before, I feel like I would still just try to do it myself. Comes with a charger, the band, and then this is the other part to it. This is the face of the watch. It comes in this little, I don't know if this is plastic. Nah, this is a different type of material. I don't know what material it comes in. I don't know why all these look blue. Like, even my phone, I believe it's black, but it looks blue. This looks blue. But yeah, yes sir. So it's about to turn on. Feel me? Y'all can even see me. It's glistening. Alright. And then I'm gonna put that on there. I'm gonna get the bands. Even though I have custom bands for it, I'm just gonna use these right now. I'm gonna use these for now. So first, it'll show you like this. Like, put the phone next to the put the watch next to the phone that you want to pair it to. Then once it's next to it, I believe it would have this little circle thing. And then you just put the camera, you go on the Apple Watch app, and then you put the camera towards it, and it'll start pairing through there. Or you could do it manually. There's different ways. I wish I could show y'all truly, I'll actually show y'all because it's easier than setting up a phone. But I can't, so I hope whatever I get, the information I just gave you help. But yeah, I'm gonna open the band watch or whatever. The band to the watch. That's what I meant. Let's see. So it has one for medium and large, which is kinda not my size, but we'll see if it has a small. It does not have a small, but let's see what we're gonna do. It's a medium large. I'm sure I could fit a medium, but I don't know. Let's see. So this is how you put on. I can show y'all how to put on this part. Usually you're supposed to hold it down when you're trying to pull it out, but I think just to put it in, it just goes right in. Yeah, there we go. You'll hear a little snap, and then you guys can hear that snap. Alright, if y'all heard it, I hope y'all did, but if y'all didn't, my fault. And then this is how it's gonna be. Also, let me see if it fits. I'm just trying to put it on.
Yeah, literally at the end. It goes
Towards the end for me. And it's still kind of a little flabby. Yeah, it's good actually. Perfect. So I'm just gonna connect it. I already got a little protector for it. Cause these, you wouldn't think that it'll get scratched up, but trust me, it'll get scratched up when I'm at work or anything and I like move around and maybe I like hit the wall with the screen or something. It's just, you gotta play safe with these stuff. So that's the Apple Watch. This is the Series 8. It's the 45mm. The 41 I couldn't do because it's too small for me. I don't know what it is with small things. I don't want it. But yeah. And I meant to show y'all my little hat pickup today. This is tough. Yes, sir. This is real tough. I fuck with it. It just reminds me of Caribbean colors. The yellow, red, white, and not black, green. But yeah, some new pickups, feel me? If y'all like this video, drop a like. If y'all liked it so much that you want to comment, drop a comment. And we out here, man. Subscribe, give me the 500. It's KG Entertainment. And we out here, man. Pop.
On the party, but I do not want her. Moment of silence for my niggas that ain't here with me. For them saluting, throw your bottoms in the air, nigga. Throw your bottoms in the air and take a shot.